A decrease in the emergency cries for help. Schools are leaning into the meeting layers. They're trying to solve the issues in-house. And honestly, this just frees my team up to do that ground level work with kids.
I would just add to that I think we have seen a complete restructure of how we operate and being able to, like as Nicole said, being able to distribute support in a very organized way, in a very intentional way, saves everybody time, and it allows us to place support where needed at that moment. And I think that without the change in language, the change in orientation, I said this last week, is that if I was to say what's the biggest thing that precipitated that, is that we stopped tiering students and we started tiering supports. As we stopped looking at students as, okay, well, they're a tier 1, 2, 3, 4, what have you, and said, rather, these are the supports that we have and can bring to bear. And I think that really, again, changed the entire orientation to how we look at what we do.